Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys I'm going to be reviewing rather a Rosewater product, a Rosewater brand that I've recently fallen in love with. Tell you guys the benefits and how it has been, helping my skin. If this sounds like something you're interested in, do keep watching this video and give it a thumbs up if you like it. We are going to get started right away. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Folashade, and if you are a returning subscriber or you're not a subscriber yet, you're returning, thank you very much for coming. Yeah, so in this video I bring you good tidings. Rosewater is the real deal. Okay, it is the real deal. So Rosewater is basically supposed to help you with your pores and make your skin glow, and then before I go into it, I'll just read out benefits or uses of Rosewater first. So I'll read out uses of Rosewater, what you can do with Rosewater, then I'll tell you guys benefits, then I'll tell you how it has improved my skin. Then before I go into it, this video is not going to be really. So yeah, this one says uses of Rosewater. You can use it as a skin toner, you can use it as a mood enhancer, it acts as an acne fighter, acts as a pore cleanser, and then you can use it as a makeup remover. Benefits of Rosewater right now. It helps. The first one is this one says it helps to soothe skin irritation. Then it reduces skin redness. It has been used as a rose product, beauty product for thousands of years, so it's not surprised that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. It helps to prevent and treat skin infections. It contains antioxidants, which means that it helps to protect cells from damage. It heals cuts, scars, and burns. I didn't even know this. So this one says it heals cuts, scars, and burns. It enhances your mood. Yeah, it relieves headache. Oh, how do we use it to remove headache? Rosewater and rose essential oil are commonly used in aromatherapy to help relieve headaches. This may be due to distressing effects discovered in the section below. Apply a compress soaked in rosewater to the head for 45 minutes for positive results. Okay, so this one says it has anti-aging properties and it suits digestion problems. That's not why I'm using it. So yeah, I'm basically using it to cleanse my pores, to reduce the appearance of pores, to help me improve blood circulation, to help me enhance my mood and relieve stress and all that. So before I've been using another Rosewater, that's boot Rosewater, but I found out that that's actually not the original. I've been using fake Rosewater, and when I was using it, I felt, wow, I like the way this thing is on my face. I didn't really know what it was doing, but I liked the fact that it was soothing me, such that if I finish having my bath and I just splash it on my face, it gives me this, it suits me, relieves me, it just makes my skin feel good. But this particular one, this is called Bulgarian Rose Skincare Series. It says it is whitening, anti-wrinkle, moisturizing face toner. So this particular one acts for me as a face toner. So most times what I do is, after cleansing my face, coming out of the bath and patting my face dry with my toilet roll, I just take a cover. So I take one cap and then pour it on my palm, cover it, do it like this. Leave it like this on my face and just leave it to dry. It may look awkward right now because I'm filming this video at 2 o'clock in the morning, and then I did my skincare product last night. I did my skincare routine, so I already used everything. I will not be surprised if it looks awkward right now, but yeah, that is what I do. And then I noticed that I started noticing some pores here on my skin, some open pores here, somewhere around here. I don't know. You might not be able to see it because of the light in front of me, but I noticed some pores here. That was like maybe 4 days ago. And then, you know, I made sure that I always add rose water on my face. Like I would just, you know, splash a generous amount of it on my face. And then I did some, you know, some steaming. Yeah, I steamed my face. I just put hot water, yeah, hot water, piping hot water in a bowl. I didn't realize I had exhausted my tea tree oil, so I just put it in there and then let the smoke, you know, open up my pores. Then used my cleanser, my soap, to like the soap I use as my cleanser, wash my face. And then by the time I finished washing my face with cold water, and then I used this rose water, my like I could see the difference. You guys, I could really see the difference. And that for me is a very big W. I mean, the fact that it closes my pores, you guys, just go and get it, especially if you have acne prone skin. Yeah, if you have acne prone skin, you should really get it. This particular one, I think I got it for 3,000 naira, and I think it's not even expensive for this much. This is 1 liter, 1,000 ml. This is 1 liter, and then the one I was buying before was about maybe 150 ml or 100 ml, and I got it for like 1,000 naira. That's the fake one. I think the original one is about 2.5 or so, but this one is 1 liter and it's 30,000 naira. You know, see where I've used it to. Like I'm just starting to use it, and I can already attest to the glory of this product. So it is called Bulgarian Rose Skincare Series, and what they wrote here is replenish the skin with moisture, fine pores, and make the skin feel soft and supple. How to use: after cleansing, apply a proper amount to the palm of your hand and gently pat on the face until the skin completely absorbs it. And yes, that is what I'm on about right now. Let me stop rambling and just round it up. So go get yourself a skincare product. What am I saying? Go get yourself this type of rose water if you like it, or if you have a particular rose water that you already use, you should really like continue using it. I just like the glow that it brings. It's already drying on my face, but can you see the glow it's leaving? Can you see? Can you see? So I'm going to a couple of people have been asking me to film my skincare routine. Follow your skincare routine. Follow your skincare routine. Follow your skincare routine. But I didn't want to film it before because, you know, I felt like I had not gotten to that point where I would share my routine. But right now I feel like I've got some glow, and I've been able to stop my acne production. I've been able to stop, you know, my hyperpigmentation, and this kind of glow I think is here to stay. You know, I think I've got it on a lockdown. So I'm going to film my skincare products for you guys very soon. And my skincare products are actually very affordable. Like they're cheap, like they're not throat cutting. So I'll film it for you guys. You have to stick around if you want to know. Just stick around and turn on the bell icon so that when I drop it like this, you're in the know. Okay. Your skin is here to glow on my watch, and that is on what? That's on period. That's on period, baby. That's on period. Yeah, let me stop the shenanigan now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Do it this give this video some of you if you like it, and it is a subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.